Desmond, this is Hillary Shelton, Director of the NAACP's Washington Bureau and Senior Vice President for Advocacy and Policy, but most importantly, for the purposes of this video, your good friend that had the great opportunity to go to Geneva, Switzerland and work with the United Nations to begin to advance issues, to open up opportunities for those who have found themselves under the control of the law, to finally get their right to vote back and enjoy the democratic process and promise of opportunity for all. Listen, I am so disappointed that I could not be there with you in Florida to celebrate your graduation from the Florida International University School of Law, but I cannot begin to tell you how proud we are of you. The great work that you've done that led up to this important moment in which you'll be getting your law degree, and that every step of the way you continue to contribute the skills, the knowledge, and the understanding of the law to try to make life better for Americans wherever you might very well be. So Desmond, we're proud of you. Again, I'm disappointed I can't be there to celebrate with you because I know how you celebrate. And I know I'm going to miss an awful lot of fun. But I look forward to working with you in the future, and I'm convinced, with this degree under your belt as well, that life is nothing but a huge oyster, and that you're going for that pearl. But you'll continue, as always, to use that pearl to make life better for everybody. Thanks, brother. And I look forward to working with you, talking with you, meeting with you, and celebrating with you soon.